It's eyes down for a full house at Port Talbot's Magnum Bingo Hall, which opened 6 months ago and already has an established following. Young and old, men and women are all taking part in a game which dates back to Roman times and has seen a new lease of life.
All ones 11.
Well, I love bingo. I enjoy it very much. In fact, sometimes I like it too much.
Well, when you're waiting for one and there's a big house, you know, you get all excited, you know what I mean? So
it's nice when you win.
Number
We don't
3.
win very often.
More than £800 million is staked on bingo games in Britain every year. The government claims around 78 million in taxes. But the traditional numbered ping-pong balls favoured by the National Lottery have gone. Electronic random number selection and out-of-town purpose-built bingo halls are the modern face of the industry.
It was really old boards, nothing electronic like this with boards. It was cardboard numbers that had to be displayed, and really, compared to today, it really was tatty.
But as the latest centre opens tonight in Swansea, church leaders are warning the big prizes now on offer are pushing more people towards excessive gambling, and what seems like traditional harmless fun can become addiction.
As with most forms of gambling, when it's done as a form of entertainment and on a casual basis, as I would call it, it leads to very little problems in people's lives. When it becomes something, though, that dominates their life, either financially or in terms of the time that they give to it, then I think the problems arise.
Most people spend around £7 a night on bingo, and the vast majority play at least once a week. A big win at bingo, though, may change your life, but it won't necessarily change your lifestyle. 99% of national game winners come back, and despite competition from the lottery, it looks like bingo's here to stay.
Forward 646.